Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can set up and send money with Zelle in Bank of America. So let's jump right in. Step 1. Open the Bank of America mobile banking app and sign in to your account. Step 2. Select Pay and Transfer to begin. Step 3. Tap on Zelle from the available options. Step 4. Choose Pay to send money. You can also select Request to ask for money or split expenses with others easily. Note that, if you're not already enrolled in Zelle, you'll see a screen for setup. Tap Set up Zelle registered trademark and follow the prompts to get set up. Step 5. If you are sending to a new contact, tap Add New Person or Company. Note that, for an existing contact, use the search bar to select a trusted recipient from your list. Look for the purple Z to know who is already registered to use Zelle registered trademark. You can also use a unique QR code to pay people back. Tap the QR code icon next to the search bar to open your mobile device camera, scan their code, confirm and send. Step 6. Select who you're adding. Tap Next. Step 7. Select how you'll add their information. Tap Next. Step 8. Enter the details for your new contact. You can also tap Add from Contacts to select from the existing contacts in your phone. Step 9. Review the details for your contact to ensure accuracy. Tap Edit to modify or add recipient. Step 10. Read the information regarding Zelle payments and tap OK to authorize the new contact. Step 11. Your recipient is added. To pay this or another contact, type the name in the search bar. Then tap on the contact you want to pay. Step 12. Choose the account you want to send money from and enter the amount. Tap Next. Step 13. If you want to make the payment recurring, tap the toggle. For this demo, we'll schedule a one-time payment. Tap Next. Step 14. Choose a payment date to schedule your one-time payment. Select today's date if you want to make an immediate payment. Tap Next. Step 15. You can add an optional message for the recipient. Tap Next. Step 16. Review the details for the payment to ensure accuracy. Tap Edit if needed. Tap Next to proceed. Step 17. For payments to new contacts, you'll see an authorization screen. Read the information and click OK to authorize the payment. Step 18. Be sure to scroll down the screen to read important information about your scheduled payment. Tap the circle to agree to and acknowledge the terms. Tap Schedule. Step 19. Your payment is scheduled. Tap Done to see the details on the activity screen. For scheduled and recurring payments, you can view, edit, and cancel on the activity screen.